Life isn't something you have to protect yourself from or deny yourself the experience of. Vulnerability, authenticity, and genuine feeling are our great doorways to receive guidance, wisdom, and a state of ultimate self healing and receptivity. Research continues in the field of bioscience and esoteric physiology to further the collective integration of spiritual, emotional, physical sense of wholeness. In today's meditation, we are activating a triad of points of inner knowing that reside within your nervous system, unleashing the divine presence that lies dormant within your physiology that leads to direct spiritual connection. It's part of a larger body mind nexus within the nervous system that enables you to remain calm and centered through life's challenges, to remain in a state of ultimate self healing and receptivity. Enjoy. Find yourself into a comfortable position, whether you're lying down or seated. Just feel supported and comfortable. For a moment, you will not be disturbed. Focus in on your breath, inhaling fully 3 times, exhaling through your mouth. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. 2 more times. Inhale. One last time. Inhale fully. Exhale through your mouth. Utilizing your breath to give this signal to your mind, body, experience that it is time to relax fully and become receptive, bringing yourself layer by layer into the present moment. Taking this moment through your breath to become aware of your senses, your human 5 senses, and then also beyond into extrasensory perceptions that are more unseen. Become present of that. Have an intention, a focused intention that you are in a deep state of stillness. And if there's a particular question of guidance or self-healing, resolution or wisdom you would like to particularly ask for, focus on that as well. Put out that intention. Exploration. Explore the space all around you in your energy fields and beyond, as well as deeply explore the inner spaces within your body that reflect the inner and outer universes, world within and multi-worlds without. And now the still point activation. Focus in on your head, creating a straight line between 3 points. The front, your third eye. Many of you know that, in between your eyebrows and your forehead. Just focus that outwardly on your forehead. Attention to your forehead in between your eyebrows. Now go deeper in between the center of your head, following a straight line. Straight behind that forehead line in the middle of your head is a joint known as the spheno-basilar joint. It is a physical joint that holds the upper head and lower portions of the head together, right in line with your third eye. And for those of you that aren't familiar with the third eye, just think about coming straight through the center of your eyes, your own eyes, and then straight into the middle of the head from your eyes. And then one last point, you're connecting. Go back further to the back of your head. There is a vortex of energy, a minor but major chakra space right there in the back of your head, top of your brain stem, straight in line with your eyes, back into the center of your middle of your head, and then behind your optic nerves in the back of your head. Connect those points of light and energy. Become aware of this still point area. Now focus more in the middle of the head, the center of those 3 points, and focus on a neutral space in your head, a space that feels peaceful and calm, like a relaxed, still ocean on the horizon. Totally still. Relax and merge into this space without any effort, zero effort, just relax. And remain now. This is a state of ultimate self-healing and receptivity, where you can remain silent and receptive to receive guidance, wisdom, self-healing, and often resolution to a situation you were working to get some answers for. This is your divine connection. Soul Light Integrative Medicine offers holistic psychotherapy. For more details, log on to soullight.com, SOLLITE. You can get some free offers and gifts there as well. To keep up with upcoming videos and trainings, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Soul Light Anthusa Helena.